I gotta get this thing sharpened. Working the belly of this bamboo with my scraper and really kind of having a rough go of it. I don't know if it's, you know, the strength of the tempering that's making it complicated, or if my scraper itself is getting dull, and I kind of feel like it may be a bit of a combination of the two, but in any event, I gotta get this thing sharpened. Was given a gift from a friend that I am going to try out. It's this all-in-one sharpening system from Rockler. There's 2 files on this thing, and interestingly enough, it only says to file the very edge and not the, it's only filing the main surface and not these edges. So right there, kind of odd. And it says to make like 10 or 15 passes, and at this point I have lost count, so we're going to call this good. That's a rough filing surface, and then there's a very smooth one, so this is going to polish it. And of course, the smoother the surface, the sharper the burr. There's a part of me that wants to run this just on these edges. So, not in the instructions here. I'm doing it anyway. Get a nice square edge. Alright, I've dropped a little bit of honing oil on this thing. And I guess the nice thing about this particular tool is, you know, it has everything marked off. So the first file is right here, file the face, and then it has the second, which is the honing diamond there, and then number 3, draw the burr, which is done flat against the scraper, right? So we're just drawing out that burr. And I think it's worth mentioning, guys, that the intent here is not to go super, you don't want to put a ton of pressure down. All right, just enough to be working that edge. In my experience with doing scrapers, sharpening scrapers, is that with the right touch and not bearing down on it so hard, actually gives you a really good burr. All right, so I've worked that over, and then finally I'll say turn the burr right here. So this sets it at the angle that you want to be able to turn that burr. Well, it's certainly taken after my fingernail. I'm gonna be honest with you, it doesn't feel like a burr that I'm used to. And by the way, when the camera was off, I honed down the other side here. Yeah, it doesn't feel like it did a whole lot. Alright, well, let's see here. Proof's in the pudding. We're going to take after the bamboo right quick. And you can see the edge that I've been working on. Let's see what we get here. All right, bamboo is hard, no doubt, but that sharpener did quite I'm sure it'll take a little getting used to as far as like how to use it effectively, but I can tell you, for the amount of time that I just invested in getting this sharp, it did a phenomenal job. It really did. So I drew a better edge on one side than the other, which is not surprising. I do that all the time. But yeah, that was a very quick and easy dressing for that blade, and it does a phenomenal job. I think I will I'll continue using that. Again, that's a yeah, just a sharpening, well, not a sharpening, it's the scraper or cabinet scraper tool, sharpening tool. We don't really sharpen a cabinet scraper, but you know what I mean. So yeah, nice. By the way, they did not pay me to do this. I get paid very little to do any of this, for what that's worth. But anyway, guys, that's it. Thanks. Nice little tool. Pick one up for yourself. Save you a lot of time getting a good edge on your scraper.